Hello,
Hello,
my name is Teacher Rama. What's your name?
my name is Sơn Tùng.
Nice to meet you. How old are you?
I'm 12 years old.
Where do you live?
That
Where do you live? Do you live in Halong City?
Thirdly, I live in Halong City.
And who do you live with?
I live my family.
What's your hobby? Do you like playing sports?
Yes,
Okay, what sport do you like to play?
is the sport I play is badminton.
Alright, now let's look at this. In this part, we have two topics. The first one, my favorite film. The second one, my dream house. Which one you want to talk about?
My dream house.
Alright, you can take some time to think about the questions. Okay? You want to start talking? Okay, let's start.
I will your house.
My house.
My house.
Where will it be? Will it be near the mountains, at the city center, near
My house will be in the mountain.
Okay, yes. What might it look like?
It might high-tech house.
And what do you want to have in your house? What do you want to have in your house? Do you want to have a fridge, a TV?
I want to have is washing machine, fry.
Fridge. Okay. And will you have a robot in your house?
Yes, I will, because the robot will look after the children.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Goodbye.
Goodbye.